Hi, in this video we'll see the letter q. So here on the right you can read q, 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 qa, q, q, qa. I will show you how to write it. So in the previous video we saw q, you remember? Q like this. Now it is q. So it's a little bit different than q. Q, 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 q. So I will do multiple q's. Let me choose another color. One q, another q, a third one, a fourth one, fifth, okay, 7 of those. The reason why I'm doing 7 is because I want to show you of how to write q and these trailing alphabets. So what we do is we simply add a line or a round shape to just make the trailing alphabets out of the first one, q. So this is q. Add this line, make this one o. Add this line here at the bottom, make it q. Add this line to the left, facing left, to make it qa. Add this round to turn this q to q, the fifth one, q. Here it's a little bit different. So what we're gonna do is first we will add this line, and then on top of it we will add. So what I did is I erased that part, I added this one, and on top of it like that, all in the same way, but I would rather put the round here. So I put the round here, or else you remember in the previous video, just add that line on top of the k. So what I'm saying is, so let's say I have k, ku, right? Ki, ka, ke, ko. This is something we covered in the previous video. Ke, ku, ki, ka, ke, ko. So out of this, if I add this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line on top of it, it turns to re, ke, ku, ku, ki, ka, ke, ko. Okay, so this is for ke. I hope you are able to write it properly. Please practice, and please compare it with the previous video, which is k, and you will get it. Thank you.